Good afternoon, all of you. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. So you can, okay. Okay, good afternoon. I would like to say that your attendance has already been given. QR code yesterday only I've shared with you people. You can mark your attendance over there. Okay, and please ready with your notebook and pen because some questions I will ask one by one. That's why. I'm just wait for a few 1 minutes more. Let's the student join. After that, I will start. At 2:13, I will start the class. Okay. Okay. Before starting the class, I would say and ask you some questions about interview skills. About interview skills, I will ask you some questions. Dolly Kumari, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dolly. Dolly, can you say me some of the interview skills?
Communication skills.
No, before giving any kind of interview, what you will prepare?
Resume.
You know tomorrow
Before
is the interview. How you will face the interview? What things in your minds are going on?
Firstly, we should know everything about the company
Very good.
before going to interview,
Yeah.
and we have to search on that deeply, so that if any question about your company will be asked, that time I will able to answer those. And then yes, all the skills like in which are the skills required for the job. For that,
Okay.
we have to prepare firstly.
Okay. And
We should know how to represent ourselves in front of the interviewer.
do you know STAR technique? Nowadays it is very famous. STAR technique. Do you know what is
Means,
this STAR technique?
means
Situation.
what type of question they will ask.
No. Situation. Task. Action. Result. It is called STAR technique. Okay. S
Okay,
start
ma'am.
for situation, T start for task, A start for action, and R start for result. Set means why to say sorry, S starts for what? Situation. That means to set the scene. T start for task. It describes what the purpose. Okay. A start
Yes,
for
ma'am.
action. It stands for what? Explain what
Action.
you did.
Okay.
R start for result. That means share the outcome. This nowadays the interview techniques, this STAR technique is working. So I have asked you, before going to face any kind of interviews, what your preparation should be.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, Sachin Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Sachin. So, being you applied for a job, what in your mind
Yes.
is going on before the day? Please explain.
Yes, ma'am. To be honest, when I apply for job, that means
I will.
there is
Yeah, I
already
had.
pre-planned.
Yeah.
When I had applied for job, then already I would be planned, and for example, I will be ready with my documents. Okay, I will be.
No. The first thing will be your strategy. The strategy to compete. How you will compete. कुछ तो strategy set किए होंगे ना, अचानक तो नहीं जाएंगे. Mindset रहेगा कुछ. There will be certain mindsets.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, there will be proper
So
strategy
sequentially
and
होगा.
mindset.
हाँ, sequentially. You come sequentially. एक
Okay.
क्या देगा? First क्या होगा? Second क्या होगा? One.
Okay, ma'am. I am saying. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. As you said that the most important thing is planning, strategy, how to be how to answer the questions asked by the interviewer, and what and secondly, I have
Sachin. नहीं Sachin, this is not. ऐसा नहीं होता है. It seems very easy, that interview techniques. But when it times come to explanation, we are not getting. Okay, Amit Kumar Pramanik. I come next
Yes,
to you.
ma'am.
Yeah, Amit Kumar Pramanik. Can you explain me?
First, ma'am, I have to be prepared for the interview and what type of job it is, and the means everything I need to know about the company and their type
Arey
of job.
Baba, I have already said something. Star मैंने बोला अभी, right now I have told you about the star technique. देखो situation क्या होता है? I'm just again explaining, okay? I'm again explaining, and after that I will come to you people. Situation क्या होता है? You have to briefly set the scene that has to be given by the interviewer. You don't have to think about any kind of typical situations. Okay, you don't have to be in your mind any kind of negative. Either you will get the job, either you will lose. इससे ज्यादा कुछ होगा क्या?
नहीं मैम.
नहीं होगा. So get ready for the results in your mind. Either you will get, either you will not get. ये तो last नहीं है. Life का ये तो last नहीं है. There are many more opportunities will come to you people. Next, tasks. Tasks का मतलब क्या होता है? You have to explain what your responsibility, what the case study they will give you, what the situations they will give you to you, what the challenges they will give you to you. Okay, you have to strictly answer those questions. You have to show how much responsible you are and how responsibility means how to work in a more responsible manner. वहां तो कोई आपसे काम कराएगा नहीं, पूछेगा ही ना. इन इंटरव्यू आपसे कोई ये काम करा के बोलेगा आप ये करके दिखाओ,
नहीं
नहीं. वो आपको एक केस स्टडी देंगे, जैसे मैंने आपको एक केस स्टडी दिया, उसी तरह से वहां पे भी आपको क्या करेंगे, केस देंगे, एक केस स्टडी देंगे. सो ये अब आपके ऊपर है कि आप इसको कितने ट्रिकी तरीके से हाउ यू विल आंसर, हाउ यू विल एक्सप्लेन. ये होता है टास्क. थर्ड होता है एक्शन. I have told you start technique, action. Third one is your action. You have to describe what you will do, why you will do, and how much focus you will do, means how much focus you will give to the tasks they have given to you. And ever you have shown any kind of your means presentations, or any you have compete in any examination, means modeling, project modeling and all those things in the engineering, okay, at your college, or you have lead a team as a captain, or have you got some prizes for your models. Okay, this is the action, means you have to describe how you will face, why you will do this type of things, and you can work in a team. This is the next part. Next one, result. At the end, what their question will be? At their end, what they will ask? Why? How? All these things over. अब उसका क्या question रहेगा? Result. So, result आपको क्या देना? How you have to answer the result. The final part, the concluding part. You always have to end your answer on a positive outcome. You don't have to show जो नहीं ये वाला, if I will do like this, I will face this problem. If I will do like that, I will face this problem. It will be more efficient. It will be not efficient. No. क्योंकि आपसे बहुत ज्यादा मतलब ज्ञानी लोग वहां आपका इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं, उनको आपको बताने का जरूरत नहीं है that which will be beneficial and which will be not beneficial. So always try to end your answer on a positive outcome. And if you think your interview is not good, then also please thanks to the interviewer, because it also gives you an experience. Okay. So have you understood now? Is it clear that is start technique?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you can, Amit Kumar Pramane, can you explain me? So Amit Kumar Pramanik, please explain. Now I've cleared every point of view. I don't think that now any confusion is there with you people. How you have to start, how you have to end. Okay, Amit Kumar Pramanik, please start. That what your strategies, what your plans before facing the interview. How you will keep your mind calm and be positive. When you, देखो बुरा सबको लगता है, when you get rejected, we too feel bad. Okay, we all know. But क्या हम try करना छोड़ देते? Do we stop trying? No. We try for the next. बुरा तो सबको को लगता है. जब तक हम लोग को we don't get anything, तब तक हम लोग को सबको को बुरा लगता है. But then also क्या mind को हम लोग को ना leave it. कुछ कर नहीं सकते तो हम क्या कर सकते? We can just leave it. है ना? So like that. So please, Amit Kumar Pramanik, please say this case studies. It is one kind of case study I am only giving you, that your mindset, mind concept, I just want to know before facing the interview. Go ahead. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Amit.
I'm not getting anything what to say about.
First one, practice. Dress. You have to practice yourself by standing in front of the mirror.
In front of mirror. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
कोशिश करो ना. You try to talk with me. I am not the interviewer. Okay. Just try. क्या है आपका माइंड कॉन्सेप्ट? एक्सप्लेन. उसके बाद हम तो पॉलिश करेंगे वहां पे आपको फिर. I am here to polish you people. You know everything. Say Amit. Who will explain? Monica Nagar? Okay, Amit Kumar. I'm coming to Monica Nagar. Monica Nagar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Monica, please explain the day before you are going to face the interview. What things are going in your mind?
Ma'am, to make a strategy,
Hmm?
and we know about the company and what's its we know about all the things about company.
Monica, where are you? I'm getting some kind of voice from the background.
No, ma'am.
Okay. And what things?
When we face interview, then we end our interview in a positive note.
Okay, positive note you cannot say. You will say thank you note.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it is not positive note, it is thank you note. Okay, always end an interview with a thank you note.
Okay, ma'am.
See, in an interview, practice also matters. Your confidence matter. Your dress is one of the part. Your appearance matters a lot. Your posture. Why I've told that before facing any interview, please practice in front of the mirror. At least you should be very much fluent in your introduction part, from which field you are, from which branch you are. You must be very fluent while explaining those things. And the resume is one of the most important part of your interview day. Please mention all your positive things, all your soft skills, all your projects, all your internships. Okay, in the resume. It should be very much effective. Next is that don't act nervous. Please don't act nervous. And do you know one thing? When any of your interviewer asks you a question, don't ramble. Because if you will ramble, then it will not make a positive effect. Always try to answer the questions between 30 seconds. Between 30 seconds, please try to answer the questions. If you don't know, please say you don't have any ideas. And don't go too long because if you go too long with your answers, you will lose the attention of the interviewers. And first one is that please don't forget, lastly, the most important thing, either you'll be selected or rejected, no one knows. But don't forget to say a thank you note.
Ma'am, but the rambling part you just said.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, but the rambling find its own way to get me. You know, it comes on its own. You know, sometime when the
Actually, I am not getting your
interviewer
voice
asks me a
properly.
question.
I am not getting your voice properly. Please repeat the question again.
I was saying that the rambling,
Yeah.
when a person speaks, the
Yeah.
rambling find its own way to get to him. You know,
Yeah, you have to answer them in 30
it's coming
seconds.
on its own way. It finds its
Huh?
own way. Yeah, but sometime the person who is giving his interview
Yeah.
rambles on its answer.
Yeah,
You know,
please.
while giving his or her answer, he sometimes rambles.
Yeah, sometimes
Hello?
rambles. That was you have to avoid. You have to avoid this part.
How can I avoid now?
How?
How can I avoid that?
If you don't know, please say that you don't know. You just say them.
No,
That
but
I
I
have.
know. No, I know the answer, but while I'm answering it, I feel like something I'm missing in that answer, and that rambles me.
Miss, you please say you don't confuse. Confuse mat ho. Please don't say confused. Rambling is lengthy and confusing. Rambling means lengthy and confusing. If you don't
And
know to
if
the
I miss
point,
out some points, okay, while answering it, if I miss out some points,
yeah,
then that troubles me.
yeah, that
You
travels a
know,
lot.
if I wanted to say 2 or 3 points, if he gave me a situation, if
Yeah,
the interviewer gave me a situation, so I thought of 2 or 3 points to that
yeah,
question. But while answering it, I only managed to speak 2 or 3 points, but I
yeah,
missed out 2 or 3 more points that I
yeah,
wanted to say.
yeah.
So
But how you
that
can avoid?
pushes me back somehow. How
Practice.
can I prevent that?
You can practice. You have to practice, na. When you are applying, देखो, if I will apply for interview, देखो, I am telling you practically.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Sachin?
ma'am, one thing I would like to say that we should not expect more. This may cause
Expectations तो होना
hesitation.
चाहिए. See,
Ma'am,
ambitious and
Expectation होना चाहिए.
expectations should be there. I
but
will not
ma'am,
satisfy
Yes,
with
ma'am.
this because if we will not ambitious, and then we can't achieve anything.
ma'am,
In our
ambitious
life,
is
we
okay.
have to be ambitious.
But I'm saying that if I मतलब मैम नर्वस होने का मतलब एक कारण ये भी होता है मतलब
नहीं, nervous क्यों होंगे? That's why I'm saying you something right now. देखो, अगर हम
No,
कोई,
because of uncertainty,
हाँ?
we got nervous. Because of uncertainty, I got nervous.
Yeah,
I
answer.
get nervous.
ना, देखो, when we apply for any interview or jobs, ठीक है, हम लोग कोई भी जॉब इंटरव्यू अप्लाई करते हैं, क्या हमको नेक्स्ट डे थोड़ी कॉल करता है? It takes कम से कम 3 to 4 days or at least 7 days to call.
मैम तो एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है ना कि
या 100%
जैसे मेरा
expectations भी
हुआ
होता है
करता है.
हमारे पास. क्यों होता है? Because we are ambitious. In our life, we are ambitious, so our expectation is always there. The expectation को अगर हमको fulfill करना, if we want to fulfill our expectations, so our practicing part should be also be strong. अगर हम अपना practice part को strong करेंगे, तभी हमको expectation होना चाहिए. Without preparation, अगर हम expectation करेंगे जो भगवान भरोसे, so it cannot be. है ना? भगवान भरोसे रह के बोलेंगे मेरा नहीं हुआ और हमने कुछ किया ही नहीं।
मैम मतलब वो नहीं बोलना चाह रहे थे, मतलब कहना चाह रहे थे मतलब ज्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन करने के कारण मतलब थोड़ा ये होता है एंग्जाइटी वगैरह ये सब, अगर
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
सिलेक्ट नहीं हो पाए
देखो प्रैक्टिस जो है
तो
ना, प्रैक्टिस आप ओवरकम कर सकते हो। फर्स्ट थिंग जो है, कोई जॉब के लिए जब आप अप्लाई करते हो, you know what the qualification they are wanted, you if you are fulfilling that qualification तभी आप वो जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करोगे। फर्स्ट थिंग। नेक्स्ट थिंग आपका है, you know which company it is, you before applying the job आप तो जरूर सर्च करोगे नेट पे किस चीज का वो कंपनी है, what company is that one, you will gather some information. When they will ask you some question, you can tell them directly that you are from this background, you don't have much idea on that, and their means उन्होंने जो चाहा था, what they have asked the qualification, you fulfilled that one, you can ask the question. So first thing is that you have to, your means क्या बोलते हैं, your learning part from which background you are, you have, must have a good grip on that. Second, you must have much more knowledge about the company you are applying for. Thirdly, when you are applying for the job, you know for what post you are applying and what are the duties for that, means that for the employee on working on that post. ये तीन चीज हमारे पास जब क्लियर हो जाएगा, तब हमारे पास बचा क्या? तब हमारे पास क्या बचा? पैनल इंटरव्यू, सिंगल इंटरव्यू, यही ना बचा। एक बार फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू होता, कभी रिटर्न होता है, आफ्टर दैट ओरल में होता है, कभी रिटर्न में भी होता है इंटरव्यूज। तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं रिटर्न में? हमको पहला क्या है, हमारा एकेडमिक जो एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड है, इट शुड बी, वी मस्ट हैव अ वेरी टाइट ग्रिप ऑन दैट, हमारा अच्छा पकड़ होना चाहिए उसमें। थर्ड है फेस करने का बाद, तो उसमें क्या है, अगर हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, फिर प्रैक्टिस every day half an hour, if we talk fluently, if we know how to introduce, तो इंटरव्यू में कुछ हार्ड क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछते, don't ask from which background you are, they want to know from where you have completed all your degrees, how much any extra qualifications, if you are having any extra qualities, okay, and they see how much confident you are. They give, nowadays the most important thing is the case study they give you. Suppose you're working as a mechanical engineer. If a company faces some kinds of problems, then what you will do? How will overcome with this? If the labor union people will on a strike, you have to complete this much of the demand of the market, how you will do? They give you case studies. Nowadays, a case study is a very, I will say, trend. It is a trend for the interviews to give the case studies when they are hiring any kind of job. They want to see the presence of your mind. उसको presence of your mind देखते हैं. How you will fulfill this one? How you will work for our company? How your work will be effective?
No, what kind of hello? What
Yeah.
kind of case study, like something like that, where you got stuck in a quicksand and there is nothing to get me out of there, or that kind of problem, or something else?
No, आपको background से ही पूछेगा.
Oh, background से पूछिए.
Yeah. आपका background से, मान लीजिए आप accountant में हैं. As an accountant you are working.
मुझे लगा situation based.
No, situation, presence of mind. कंपनी और लाइफ क्या होता है, कंपनी को बहुत तरह का प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करना पड़ता है ना.
मैम उसमें भी तो फेस करना पड़ेगा ना.
हाँ, मार्केटिंग में अगर कोई अप्लाई करता है उसको मार्केटिंग रिगार्डिंग देंगे. जैसे नाउ सिचुएशन, इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन ऑफ एवरी पीपल इज वेरी बैड, दे विल आस्क यू क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द मार्केटिंग.
मैम एलएमएस एक बार भी नहीं खुला मैम, तो मैम इसी से
कौन है?
स्क्रीनशॉट अटेंडेंस एमडी सोहेल अख्तर मैम.
अभी तक तुम एलएमएस में एनरोल ही नहीं हुए हो क्या?
नहीं मैम, इनरोल है मगर खुला ही नहीं, मतलब खुल ही नहीं रहा एलएमएस मेरा.
क्यों?
पता नहीं मैम, उस टाइम से ट्राई कर रहे हैं.
ओके, रेस्ट ऑफ यू गिवन योर अटेंडेंस, आई विल सी.
ओपन नहीं हो रहा है मैम, ओपन नहीं हो रहा है एलएमएस.
ओपन नहीं हो रहा
स्टार्टिंग में
है.
ओपन हुआ था, फिर अभी नहीं हो रहा है.
हम तो स्टार्टिंग में ही बोले थे. देखो 4 o'clock तक अभी एलएमएस है, उसे तो हम स्टार्टिंग में आप लोगों को बोल दिए थे गिव मार्क योर अटेंडेंस. उसे तो हम एक दिन पहले प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं ना।
नो मैम, उसको खोलने के बाद ना पहले उसमें शो नहीं कर रहा था सबमिट अटेंडेंस का ऑप्शन, उसके बाद ही ऐसा हुआ, फिर उसके बाद लोड ही नहीं हुआ पेज।
Okay, see now up to 4 means up to 350 you are having time. Okay.
ओके मैम।
Okay, up to 350 you are having time. Next one. आपको second क्या है? If the interview find you very ambitious, okay, if they will find you very ambitious, they will give you case studies very tough. तो tough type का देंगे आपको case studies.
मैम तो उतना एम्बिशियस दिखाना भी तो नहीं है।
Ambitious वो तो आपको दिखाओगे कहाँ से? You can't show the interviewer that you are.
मतलब एक्चुअली तो वो तो
बॉडी
इंटरव्यूअर
लैंग्वेज
जो
से
है
पता चल जाएगा ना।
वो तो खुद ही चेक कर लेंगे
No,
मतलब क्या है।
मतलब हर चीज में
जैसे
मतलब यस हर चीज में होता है ना, या आई कैन डू, यस
हाँ,
आई विल, इस तरह का क्वेश्चन, आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट, यू हैव टू से लाइक दिस, आई विल डू जहां टू से मी ऑलवेज दे विल फाइंड नो दिस गाय इज वेरी या
जैसे कि मतलब ज्यादा मतलब ये भी तो नहीं बोल देना है जो हमसे हो नहीं पाएगा, अगर मतलब जबरदस्ती बोलते जाएंगे तो इंटरव्यूअर तो वो
या
तो
100%
जज कर ही लेंगे हमको।
100% you don't have to say yes, you have to say no at
यस
that
मैम।
point, because ऐसा आपको कंफ्यूजिंग करने के लिए भी they will ask some questions like to you people, okay, ऐसा क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछेंगे वो लोग।
यस मैम, वैसे
Make
भी दे आर मच एक्सपीरियंस्ड।
या 100%। Now
यस मैम।
केस स्टडी जब भी आप करेगा, what techniques you have to be, मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब what techniques you should must remember before this, मतलब how to crack these things in the case study। देखो केस स्टडी का पहले आपको कुछ टाइम भी देते हैं, sometimes they give you some time, sometimes they don't, so first thing, please actively listen what they are saying. If you can't remember, you must carry a pen with you and a notebook or a notepad with you. Okay. If you are forgotten to carry the notebook, please ask for a piece of paper, or please ask for a paper to the interviewer, because you should have to write down what informations they are giving to you people. If they are providing you any kind of data, you should also note it down. So first is that you have to actively listen and you have to take notes. Next one, if you are feeling any kind of problem, please say, please repeat the question. Okay, please explain me the questions I am not getting. Third, when you will listen to them, in your mind, you are getting it clarification, you are getting what is the you are identifying that problem, what the problem is. Third, in your mind, you have to set the structure, that how you will answer. That means structure का मतलब क्या होता है? Organize. Right now, I have said someone, Amit Kumar Pramanik, or whom I have told that sequentially, please come one by one. Yeah.
You have told me.
Yeah, Sachin, मैंने बोला था ना, come one by one sequentially.
Yes, ma'am.
एक के बाद एक पे आओ. So that is the thing, that how you have to structure the problem. That means you have to organize in a proper way. Okay, जैसे होता है ना, दादाजी के बाद पापा जी के बाद चाचा जी में कितने चाचा जी, बड़े चाचा जी, छोटे चाचा जी, मझले चाचा जी। हम लोग तो ऐसे नहीं ना बोलेंगे, छोटे चाचा जी, बड़े चाचा जी, फिर मझले चाचा जी। सीक्वेंस से बोलेंगे ना,
हाँ
सीक्वेंस से बोलेंगे। उसी तरह से ये एक सीक्वेंस से बोलना है हम लोगों को। We have to say sequentially, organized way. In an organized way, we have to set in our mind that how you will present. Now, अब आपको सोचना है कि whether the question is from your part or not. The interviewer has asked you, अगर आप जब सोचते हो, आपको लगता है कि इस फील्ड में तो मेरा कोई आइडिया ही नहीं है। अगर हम सीएससी के हैं, हम सिविल में हैं, सिविल वाला अगर हमको सीएससी का क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे तो विल आई विल, क्या हम उसको जवाब दे सकते हैं? नहीं।
मैम अगर दे सकते हैं तो देंगे, नहीं तो फिर अगर नहीं दे पाएंगे तो बोल देंगे कि इट इज बियॉन्ड आवर टॉपिक।
Yeah, it is beyond my topic. You can't say it like this, okay?
यस मैम।
You can say that, sir, it's not of my part in which I have studied. हाँ, ऐसे रूडली तो हम नहीं बोलेंगे, तब आपको वो फिर सेकंड केस स्टडी दे सकता है। अगर आपको लगता है कि नो, तो दिस वन उसी लिए
मैम
पहला
फिर भी वो रिप्लाई मांगेगा,
व्हाट है
वो चेक करने के लिए कैसे हैंडल करता है।
क्या चेक करने के, लेकिन जो देखो सबसे या
उस समय हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि या जो भी मैम या सर जो भी ले रहे हो मतलब इंटरव्यू उनको कि सर आई एम नॉट सो मच कॉन्फिडेंस विद दिस टॉपिक,
नो
बट
बिना
बट आई
कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ
कैन
आंसर
से
ही नहीं
समथिंग
देना
दिस।
है, बिकॉज इंटरव्यूअर टेक्स द इंटरव्यू समटाइम्स टू टेस्ट यू, कि सब में हाँ हाँ बोलेगा कि इसमें ना बोलने का भी ये है। गॉट इट? नहीं बोलना है, उसीलिए केस स्टडी जब भी आपको दिया जाएगा, प्लीज रिमेम्बर दिस 4 थिंग्स इन योर माइंड। उसके बाद डिसाइड करने की आपका ब्रांच से है कि नहीं है। फर्स्ट थिंग दैट एक्टिवली यू हैव टू लिसन, you have to write down the note point, because note अगर लिखे रहोगे then only you can analyze. If you are not getting the question, please ask again. You are free to ask the question. Next, you have to identify what the problem, what the interviewer want the answer. Third क्या है? How you will organize your answer. Whether you are capable to answer, whether this question belongs from your field of studies or not. Whether it is regarding in your field of your job for which you have applied. ये 4 चीज एक केस स्टडी के लिए बहुत जरूरी है। After that, if you think from your mind you have organized everything, no, this question is from my branch or from my which I have studied, it belongs to that, then you have to think. Now you have to start thinking, and if they have provided any data, then please go through the data once, set the data accordingly, answer, organize your answer in that way. After that, prepare a short, I will say a short case in your mind, what you have studied till now. और सबसे जरूरी है the conclusion. You have to stand by your conclusion. What conclusion you are giving, please stand by your conclusion, because आपका conclusion के ऊपर ही the interview will challenge you. On the conclusion which you are giving, what you are saying to the interview, they will challenge